Hello, everyone. Today, I'm bringing you a powerful story that holds 4 simple yet life-changing secrets. It's about a wise sage, a troubled merchant, and the valuable lessons they share. This story will make you rethink how you manage your time, your money, and even your words. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss these insights that could truly transform your life. A long time ago, on a beautiful island, there lived a wise man. Although he was known for his wisdom, he had no ashram, wealth, or possessions. The only thing he owned was a small, mysterious bundle that he always carried. No one knew what was inside it. He traveled from village to village, living like a wanderer. Sometimes he rested under trees, in caves, or in the homes of kind people who trusted him. After spending a few days in one village, he would move to the next. Because of this lifestyle, he didn't have many disciples and was always on his own. But the wise man had a special ability. People who trusted him and shared their problems often found great solutions. Many believed their lives changed for the better after following his advice. Occasionally, he would take something from his bundle and give it to those in need: cloth, food, books, or sometimes even gold or silver. One day, the wise man arrived in a village. He sat under a large banyan tree to meditate. Villagers heard about him and came to share their struggles. As usual, he offered advice and help to everyone who came to him. In the same village, there was a merchant. He was going through a tough time because his business had suffered heavy losses. Feeling frustrated, he decided to meet the wise man and poured out all his troubles. The wise man listened calmly. After a moment, he opened his bundle and handed the merchant a small box. "Inside this box are 4 secrets," he said. "If you understand and use them, you'll achieve great success in life." The merchant, full of hope, returned home and opened the box eagerly. To his surprise, it contained 4 simple items: a bell, a single coin, a seashell, and a pearl. Confused and disappointed, the merchant thought, "I was expecting something valuable, maybe gold, silver, or at least something useful. What can I do with these?" Still curious, he went back to the wise man the next day and asked for an explanation. But the wise man only said, "Come back tomorrow." This continued for 10 days. Every day, the merchant came back, and each time, the wise man told him the same thing. On the 11th day, as the wise man was preparing to leave the village, the merchant approached him one last time, determined to get his answers. The wise man smiled, opened the box, and began to explain the secrets. He held up the bell and said, "This represents time. Time is the most valuable resource we have. You must learn to manage it wisely because time, once lost, can never be regained. If you master your time, you can master your life." Next, he picked up the coin and said, "This represents wealth. You must manage your money carefully, save when needed, and spend wisely. But remember, no matter how much money you have, it doesn't belong to you forever." Understanding this will bring peace and clarity to your life. Then, he showed the seashell and pearl and said, "These represent words. Words are like pearls, precious and rare. Use them carefully and only when needed. If you speak without purpose, your words lose their value. Speak thoughtfully, and your words will always hold power." The merchant then asked, "You mentioned 4 secrets. What is the 4th one?" The wise man smiled and said, "The 4th secret is action. Knowing these truths is not enough. You must apply them in your daily life. Only then will you see success. The merchant felt enlightened. He thanked the wise man and promised to follow the advice.
Moral of the story: time, money, and words are valuable resources. Managing them wisely combined with consistent action leads to success. Often we realize the value of time only after wasting it, the importance of money after spending it carelessly, and the power of words after hurting someone or being betrayed. Instead of learning these lessons the hard way, let's take them to heart now. If we act with discipline and purpose, no obstacle can stop us from achieving our goals.
Let's explore some important vocabulary from this story. We'll learn the meaning and see how to use each word in a sentence. Ready? Let's begin.
Wanderer. A person travels from place to place without a permanent home. அலைந்து திரிபவர். Disciples. Followers especially in a spiritual. சீடர்கள். Merchant, trader, வணிகர். Frustrated, upset, விரக்தி அடைந்தார். Perplexed, confused, குழப்பம். Enlightened, having greater knowledge, அறிவாளி. Possessions, belongings, உடைமைகள்.
Perfect! Choose any one word and create a creative or funny sentence in the comment below. The best one will be pinned at the top. We'll meet again with another interesting story. Until then, this is Into signing off. Take care and keep learning.
This video is sponsored by BuyMote, e-online shopping app. BuyMote, the ultimate online shopping app for all your grocery needs. With BuyMote, you can easily order a wide range of grocery products and have them delivered to your doorstep within 7 days. The best part is their prices are lower compared to other online stores. So, why not give it a try? Check out the link in the description. Explore their products and place your order today.